Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, right now in front of you HP Officejet 252 mobile all-in-one printer. There is a issue with this printer that if I will give print command and then it's not taking paper well, it's getting stuck over here. As you can see, it's getting jammed. Paper is getting jammed. So today I will teach you how to fix this problem. If you will see from close, there is paper is getting jammed from look, something is stuck inside. So how to release this thing or anything that is stuck inside, I will teach you without disassemble this. First of all, the initial step we have to do, like open this cover, top cover, fine, remove the power cable. I have this hard paper, you can say like x-ray paper or any hard paper, because without getting this printer disassemble, we gonna remove the thing that is stuck over there. Fine. So what to do, I will try to insert paper from here. If I will get success, fine. Okay, you can see paper passed by successfully. So it means the thing that was inside, suppose it should not be there. I will turn this machine on and now it will check again that either it's getting stuck the paper or what it will do. Like if I will give print test page, let me connect this with my laptop. Okay, still okay, it's still saying that getting jam. So I have to try once more through this side. Okay guys, you can see, if I will zoom in this part, you will see now there is something stuck over there. That's what I want to tell you, that something over there that is getting stuck. I don't think it's a gold, but let's see. We will pull this out with the help of tweezer, and I found this one. Can you imagine? What is this? I don't know. It's a type of jewelry. Okay, that's what it was getting stuck over there. So now we'll turn this off, and now we'll place the paper again. Still a piece, still there is a piece inside. There was one piece more. Okay, fine. Now we will check again once more, the final try, and I'm hopeful that it will work now. I gave the command already, and now you can see it's feeding the paper very well now. Okay guys, so now you learned that how I release the paper, because this is the very tiny printer, so hard to disassemble all. Just we can take this paper, the hard one, x-ray paper or any hard paper, plastic sheet, to get release anything that's stuck inside. Hope you understand the method. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.